have done question number 2. Today we'll be starting question number 3. You can see the question says, in the given figure, P is a midpoint of chord AB. Now this P is a midpoint of chord. I have constructed a chord AB and P is a midpoint of chord AB. Clear? Of a circle O. Circle O means the center of circle is O. Prove that OP is perpendicular, is on perpendicular AB. Now given O is the center of circle. Clear? P is the midpoint of AB. To prove OP perpendicular AB. Is it? To prove OP is a perpendicular on AB, we have to do certain constructions. What is that? Just I will be joining OA and OB. So I am writing here construction. For solution it is construction. Let OA and OB joined. If OA OB is joined, we form, so in triangle OAP and triangle OBP. What we can see? OA is equal to OB. Why it is OA and this is why it is equal I am writing. Because they are the radius of same circle. Is it? They are radius now. Is already given AP and PB is equal, though P is midpoint of AB. So AP is equal to PB. It is given already. And OP is common between these two triangles. So we'll write OP is common. So what do we get here? All the three sides are equal to each other. So therefore we can write it triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OBP. Why? According to SSS condition. This one we proved these two triangles are equal. Okay. Now see the second thing what we have to do. If the triangles are equal, so this triangle and this angle and this angle also will be equal. Angle OPA is equal to angle OPB. Why? It is CP, CTC, corresponding part of congruent triangle. This is number 1 we have got. Again, angle OPA plus angle OPB gives you 180 degree. This is together it gives you 180. Why? This is either you can write linear pair or you can write straight angle. Is up to you. This is number 2 we have got. This one we have got as 1. This one we have got as 2. From 1 and 2. First condition we got both the angles are equal. Is it? Second condition we got both the angles sum is 180. So from 1 and 2 we can write it 2 into angle OPA is equal to 2 into angle OPB is equal to either 2 into angle OPA is equal to 180 degree. This side, this both are equal. So OPA, OPB instead of OPB I can write OPA. Or angle OPA is 90 degree. So therefore OP is perpendicular AB proved. When the angle is 90 it is perpendicular. First condition again I am saying you, first condition I proved these two are equal as the triangles are congruent. Second condition sum of these two is 180. So each angle would be 90. So if the angle is 90 it is a perpendicular. Write it please. Question number 4. It says, in a circle with center O, OM is a perpendicular to PQ. Prove that PM is equal to QM. Now this is the vice versa of question number 3. Now look at question number 4. O is a center. Then it says OM is a perpendicular on PQ. This is PQ. OM is a perpendicular on PQ. You have to prove PM is equal to PQ. This and this is equal. See, I will not do this. You have to do. What I am going to do? The same thing. I will join OP and OQ. Clear? Is it? So what does it get? This is equal. This is a common side. This is 90 degrees. So this triangle and this triangle are congruent. If the triangle is congruent, PM and MQ is equal. Is it? Okay, right. Given O is the center of a circle, OM perpendicular on PQ. Is it? To prove PM is equal to MQ. Clear? Now construction says I need to do certain constructions here to make it equal. Let OP and OQ joined. I have joined OP and OQ. So in triangle OPM and OQM, OP is equal to OQ, radius OM is common, angle OMP is equal to angle OMQ as OM perpendicular PQ. Therefore, this is 90 degree or 90 degree. I can write it. Triangle OPM is congruent to triangle OQM. RHS condition. Hypotenuse is equal, this side is common and this angle is 90. So, PM is equal to MQ, CP, CTC. Proved. Only this much you have to do. Look at question number 5. You can see it is given AB is equal to PQ. You have two triangles, that is ABC and PQR. AB is equal to PQ. BC is equal to QR. And you can see CB and RQ are extended to X and Y respectively. So angle ABX is equal to angle PQY. If exterior angle is equal, interior angle will be equal here because exterior and interior are forming 180. Just example, you have two triangles. Is it? There are two triangles. Now if this angle is equal, this is equal, so this is also will be equal, because this total what is forming 180. So you can write it in the same way. Exterior angle is equal, therefore this angle is equal. If interior angle is equal, triangles are congruent according to side angle side condition. So it is proved. Question number 5 you have to do. Now look at question number 6. In a triangle ABC, if D is a midpoint of BC, AD is produced up to E such that DE is equal to AD. Now you just see question number 6. Question number 6, you look at your, this is a triangle I have drawn. A, B, C. D is the midpoint of BC. So this is D, clear? AD is produced up to E. Now AD is produced up to E, okay? Such that DE and AD are equal. That, okay? Till here you have done. Now it says ABD. This angle is, and ECD, this triangle, are congruent. Now see dear, it's very simple. AD and ED is equal is given. CD is a common side. Doubt? Is it? Now this angle will be equal to this angle. Vertically opposite angle. This will be equal vertically opposite angle. This side is equal to this side. So side angle side, side angle side, SAS, they are congruent, number 1. Number 2, it says AB is equal to EC. AB is equal to EC. If the triangles are congruent, leftover side would be equal, CP, CTC. Triangle ABD congruent to triangle DEC. Therefore, AB is equal to CE, CP, CTC we can write. Again I am saying you, just see, D is a midpoint of BC, so BC, BD is equal to DC. AE is drawn such that AD and DE is equal. So this side and this side are equal. We got these angles are vertically opposite, so these two triangles are congruent. AB is parallel to EC. Now, why it is parallel? You just see, if these two angles, the triangles are congruent, these angles would be equal. When it is equal, if alternate angles are equal, again for 3 this is angle BAD is equal to angle DEC, CP, CTC. Therefore, AB parallel to EC as alternate angles are equal. They are forming alternate. Angles are equal. So you have to finish question number 5 and 6. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. Till then, you keep practicing. Thank you.